There isn't a built-in option to extract audio from a video in the Photos app. The easiest way is to use a shortcut, so you can extract audio without installing a third-party app. You'll need the Apple Shortcuts app. If you don't already have it, download it from the App Store. Then install the Convert Audio shortcut on your iPhone using the link in the video description. If you're on the All Shortcuts screen, go back to the Library section. Open the Share Sheet section and start creating a new shortcut. Tap the plus button in the top right corner on iOS 26 and earlier. On iOS 27, tap New Shortcut at the bottom. Tap the shortcut name to rename it. Select Rename, enter a name like Convert Audio, then tap Done to save the new name. Now, tap the 3 horizontal lines to open search actions. Select Media for Apps, then clear all shortcut input. Turn on the Only Media toggle, then tap Save. Next, search for Encode Media in Search Actions and add it to the shortcut. Select Shortcut Input in the Media field. Then expand the Encode Shortcut Input section and turn on the Audio Only toggle. Search again and add the Save File action. Expand the options and turn on the Ask Where to Save toggle. That's it. Now let's test it with a video saved in the Photos app. Open a video in the Photos app, tap the Share button in the bottom right corner, and find Convert Audio in the Share sheet. Choose a location in the Files app, then tap Save to export the audio-only file. That's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more videos like this.